Hello, students of 8th class. This is Shruti. Today I'll discuss with you your chapter 3rd of geography. Your chapter is mineral and power resources. This is part 2 video. You have to watch this video very carefully. Let's start. Your new topic is distribution of minerals. You know that minerals occurs in different types of rocks, and there are three types of rocks. First is igneous rock, second one is metamorphic rock, third one is sedimentary rocks. Alright. Metallic minerals are found in igneous and metamorphic rocks, formations that from large plateaus, and sedimentary rock formations of plain and young fold mountains contain non-metallic minerals like limestone. Let's know according to continents. First one is Asia. You know that China and India have large iron ore deposits. China also leads in production of lead, antimony and tungstens. And Asia also has deposits of manganese, bauxite, nickel, zinc and copper. Alright, next one is Europe. Europe is the leading producer of iron ore in the world. Alright. Minerals deposits of copper, lead, zinc, manganese and nickel are found in Eastern Europe and European Russia also. Now third one is North America. Alright. The minerals deposited in North America are located in three zones. North America have vast deposits of copper, lead, zinc, gold and silver also. Next one is South America. Brazil is the largest producer of high-grade iron ore in the world. Alright. And South America also has large deposit of gold, silver, zinc, chromium, manganese, bauxite, mica, platinum and diamond also. Next one is Africa. Alright. Africa is rich in mineral resources. Alright. It's the world's largest producer of diamond, gold and platinum. And other minerals found in Africa are copper, iron ore, chromium, uranium, cobalt and bauxite also. Alright. Next one is Australia. Alright. Australia is the largest producer of bauxite in the world. It's also leading producer of gold, diamond, ore, tin and nickel also. Next one is Antarctica. Alright. In Antarctica you can find easily iron ore, gold, silver and oil are also present in commercial quantities. Alright. Next topic is distribution in India. Iron you can find in Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Maharashtra, Odisha, Jharkhand, Karnataka, etc. And bauxite you can find Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu and also Jharkhand. Alright. Mica you can find in Jharkhand, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan. You can find here easily mica. Next one is copper. Copper you can find in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. Alright. Now next one is manganese. Manganese you can find in Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Alright. Next one is limestone. Limestone you can find here Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. You can find here limestone easily. Alright, next one is gold. Alright, gold you can find in Karnataka. Kolar in Karnataka has deposits of gold in India. These mines are among the deepest in the world, which makes mining of this ore a very expensive process. Alright, that's why gold of Karnataka is very famous in the world. Next one is salt. Salt is obtained from sea lakes and rocks. Alright, you can see in this figure very easily. Alright, and India is a big producer and exporter of salt. That's why you can find salt in India very easily. Now the next topic is use of minerals. Minerals are used in many industries. Like silicon used in computer industries is obtained from quartz. Aluminium obtained from its ore bauxite is used in automobiles and airplanes, bottling industries, building, and even in kitchen cookware also. Alright, and minerals also are used for jewelry. Alright, now the new topic is conservation of minerals. You know that you can't renew again and again minerals. Alright, minerals takes thousands of years for the formation and concentrations of minerals. Alright, it's necessary to reduce wastage of in the process of mining. Recycling of metal is another way in which the minerals resources can be conserved. So you should remember always 3 R's: reuse, reduce, recycle, for minerals also. Alright, next topic is power resources. I'll discuss in the next video. Okay, then stay home, stay safe, take care.